Back to another episode of Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a quick cilantro lime vinaigrette. So we're back in the kitchen today and we're going to make a lime cilantro vinaigrette. It's avocado, lime, cilantro, rice wine vinegar, vegetable oil, and a little bit of kosher salt. I'm making this recipe because my girlfriend told me, a lot of people want to make healthy vinaigrettes. It's a big thing right now with all the diets, the keto and everything like that. So I'm going to make a quick one with just simple ingredients and a lot of flavor. So here's how I do it. First, we're going to take the vegetable oil and we're going to make a cup. We're going to put in a half a cup of rice wine vinegar. We're going to take one avocado, half of it only. Make sure they're nice and ripe. The juice from 2 limes. One cup cilantro with stems. A pinch of salt. Next, we're going to pulse it. We don't want it to run too much and get too watered down or too emulsified. We want it a little bit of chunky. So I'm going to set it to pulse. Now that I pulsed it just to get to what I want, I'm going to turn it to half speed and let it go for a little bit. It was about 20 seconds only. Now it's time to taste for flavor. It's really light. And it has a good creamy texture because of the avocado. I would recommend this a nice grilled skirt steak salad, or like a chipotle rub chicken salad with romaine lettuce. It needs something to go against the flavor. But it's a very easy dressing that you can make at home, and then you can hold this in your refrigerator for 4 days safely, 4 to 6 I would say, because of the avocado. You don't want it to turn, to mold out. But that's a nice little healthy vinaigrette that you can make very easily. As always, stay tuned to next week for another episode. I hope you like this one. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Follow on Chef Jesse Q at Instagram, Chef Jesse Q on Facebook, Chef Jesse Q on Snapchat, every kind of social media. Love you guys. As always, stay tuned to next week. Bye.